Hello, I'm Meena. Welcome to another lesson on Skillax. Dale Carnegie, a famous writer and speaker, has said, there are always 3 speeches for everyone you actually give. The one you practiced, the one you gave, and the one you wish you gave. If you have attempted public speaking, then you know what he means. Despite hours and hours of preparations, things can still go wrong. There can be a power outage, your audience may remember the wrong day and not turn up, or your PowerPoint can crash. This video is about public speaking skills, which include giving talks, speeches, and making presentations. Here's an amazing fact. The annual TED conference costs thousands of dollars and includes 4 days of presentations. People attend this so they can incorporate some expert delivery techniques into their own presentation styles. That's how critical this skill is. Let's refine our skills. In any presentation, there is 1, you, the speaker, 2, your content, 3, your style. All these 3 elements are geared towards the audience, who is the most important part of a presentation. So, the first thing a presentation requires is understanding your audience profile, their needs and expectations. This is called audience analysis. Now we'll look at you, the speaker. It is not wise to spend hours on what you will speak and neglect your appearance, as the audience always notices the presenter first. You can check out our video lessons on grooming so that this aspect never lets you down. Next, let's move to content. Organizing the content is easy when you divide it into 3 parts: the opening, the body, and the closing. The opening happens even before you come face to face with your audience. Spend a few moments in quiet affirmations, deep breathing, and trying out the winner's pose. These are good ways for those new to making presentations. Once you feel ready, walk into the room with a smile and greet the audience. The first 90 seconds are crucial in capturing the audience attention. Expert presenters suggest one of these openings. Start with a question, a startling fact, a story, or a joke or a well-known quote. Choose one that you can carry off well. A quote, a question, or a startling fact are a lot easier to deliver than a story or a joke. The body or main part has to be planned based on the time available for the presentation. Many presenters overlook this in their enthusiasm to give a lot of information to the audience. Experts suggest that 3 or 4 main points in any talk is enough. Have you sat in sessions where the speaker was offloading idea after idea while you were getting restless? Organize your ideas well so that there is a logical flow and gather enough evidence to support your points. This gives credibility to the talk and you. Use visuals and slideshows as aids, not as a substitute for your talk. Many good presenters do not rely on PowerPoints unless it is to present data. Close the talk with a recap of the main points discussed. People listen well to the closing, so summarize properly in case people have missed out some points in between. End your presentation with a word of thanks and an appreciation for the audience. Now let's talk about the delivery style. Should it be formal or informal? Well, we live in times where studied informality is more prevalent than extreme formality, so you could adopt this style. However, don't appear casual. Be like a blazer and a jeans combination. Smart, formal, yet informal. 3 tips as we close. 1. While speaking, make sure that your eyes scan everyone rather than focus on just 1 or 2 in the audience. Some audience members are generous with their smiles and nods, and we may tend to catch their glance for support and energy. But your talk should include everyone. 2. Rehearse your presentation so that you look your confident best. Nothing pleases an audience more than a confident presenter. 3. Never overstep the time limit allotted to you. Here's wishing that you deliver impressive presentations. Did you like this video? Please leave your comments below. Do like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, Skillax. Thank you and bye for now.